I don't understand it. They should have fixed them all. That's what they should have did.
I'm the first believer. If I got you in here, we're gonna knock you out.
Hey, thank you very much. Now, do I need to fill out the no?
That's not it.
All right then, man. I hear you. I'm gonna get out your way.
No, you said right there.
Oh, I'm good right there.
Yeah, you're
All right.
perfectly fine.
I ain't want to take your lean spot.
No, you good.
I hear you.
I got 4 of my motherfuckers sitting right here.
Oh, come on now. Let's make them work. You want to change all 4?
I'm gonna look at that outside one on the rim before you go.
Okay then. Cool.
The one that didn't change.
Yeah, that's the one they didn't check.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix them. I'll fix them, 2 tires. Then we got 3 that we can work with over there.
Gotcha.
We'll look at you right there.
No problem.
Ain't nothing but the same, man.
Hey man. That's that good job security.
Like the boy, they can use my machine. They won't let it.
Oh, okay.
What do you use the hard way?
Uh-huh. How much you think the new one would cost them?
Do what?
You said the new machine?
No, I let it clean up for about 8 years.
Oh, okay.